Hey everyone, welcome back. If you are looking to set up a professional Python environment on your Mac using Visual Studio Code, you're in the right place. macOS actually comes with an older version of Python pre-installed, but for real development, we want the latest stable build. Today, I'm showing you exactly how to get everything configured perfectly. Let's jump in. First, we need to install the latest version of Python. While you can download a package from the official website, the most popular way among developers is using Homebrew. If you have Homebrew installed, just open your terminal and type brew space install space Python. This ensures you get a modern version like Python 13.12 or 13.14. That's easy to manage and update later. Once that's finished, let's get Visual Studio Code ready. Open any folder where you want to keep your scripts and create a new file named hello.py. Look at the bottom right corner of your Visual Studio Code window. You should see a section for the Python interpreter. Click on it and a list of all the Python versions on your Mac will pop up. Make sure you select the one you just installed with Homebrew. It will usually have a path starting with /opt/homebrew. To make sure everything is running smoothly, type out a simple print statement in your file. Then look at the top right corner of the editor and hit that play button. Your code will run instantly in the terminal at the bottom of your screen. If you see your message pop up without any error messages, then congratulations, you are officially ready to start building with the world's most powerful AI models. If this quick setup guide helped you get up and running today, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more straight-to-the-point tech tutorials. Drop a comment below letting me know what you are planning to build first, and I will see you in the next one.